try this one more time. This is it's like a bean plant. Basically, it looks like a string bean, the seed pod when you see it. And as you can tell from the ends of the new leaves that are coming out there, they have this little funny looking display before they enlarge and get like, this is about as big as they get, and I get a few weeds growing in there, but I just wanted to show you a general idea of what this plant looks like. It makes a nice, the one I have in the back grows to about 4 or 5 feet, about 5 feet in circumference, and I have it in a sunny, if not partly shady area, but it seems to love where it's at, and it produces like it's going out of style. This really grows and grows and grows, and they produce these nice, pretty little yellow flowers that you'll see. It'll catch your eyes when you're walking back there. For some strange reason, I have a bunch of plants that produce yellow flowers, alamander and a few other ones out there. So just wanted to show you what this one looks like. So that was a quick one. This is, I believe, something to do with necklace, but we'll get that in the description. So I just wanted to show you before I get out of here and my little computer goes down the tube on me fast. So while it's still recording, this is going to be a short one. So it's the necklace plant. This is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Please like the video and please subscribe to the channel. This way I can continue going through all the plants in the Dougherty Garden while we're going through this virus winter, and hopefully we'll have a surprise November 4th. Thank you. Bye-bye.